General Stephen Buay Nyak, leader of the South Sudan People Movement, has raised concern over President Salva Kiir's recent declaration of state of emergency in Warrap State and part of Mayom County in Unity State. The emergency was declared to facilitate the disarmament of civilians in those areas. In a press release issued on Friday morning, General Buay, who also serves as the Chief of General Staff of the United People Alliance United Forces, say the disarmament initiative lacks adequate planning and may not support long-term stability. The South Sudan People Movement is concerned about the declaration of emergency and the disarmament plan targeting Warrap State and the Nuer community in Mayom County. The statement read, "We believe such a decision should be part of broader peace and security strategy developed through consultation with all stakeholders." General Buay explained that traditional and community leaders had expressed reservation during a meeting held in Manken Paya, Mayom County on July 19, 2025. Questions were raised regarding the fairness and timing of the disarmament process, he said, focusing on specific area while others remain armed could contribute to insecurity and tension. He added that a successful disarmament process should follow a period of peace and mutual trust. Security must be ensured across all regions before any disarmament takes place. People must feel confident that their safety will be protected through legal and peaceful means, General Buay said. He also emphasized that disarmament should involve proper preparation, including trained personnel, logistical support, and collaboration with international and regional partners. Previous disarmament efforts, such as the one in the Pibor administrative area, encountered serious challenge due to limited planning and coordination. He noted future efforts should learn from those experiences. General Buay pointed out that carrying out disarmament in Mayom County will require significant resources and well-trained forces which are currently limited. It is important to assess the current situation realistically and ensure that all necessary support is in place before proceeding, the statement said. The South Sudan People Movement concluded by calling for more inclusive and peaceful approach to disarmament. He said that we encourage the government to prioritize dialogue, community engagement, and reconciliation as the foundation of any future disarmament program. General Buay stated that sustainable peace can only be achieved when all communities feel heard, respected, and protected. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to support the channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.